The next problem we're going to solve reads as such. On a cloudless day, the sunlight that reaches the surface of the earth has an intensity of 1 times 10 to the third watts per meter squared. What is the electromagnetic energy contained in 5.5 cubic meters? Now recall that the speed of light is 3 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. The equation we're going to use, I'll get a different marker, is energy is equal to our intensity divided by our speed of light times our volume. And so we just simply start plugging into this. We get 1 times 10 to the third watts per meter squared divided by the speed of light, which is 3 times 10 to the 8th meters per second, all right, times now our volume, which is 5.5 meters cubed. Before we solve this, let's look at what's going to happen with the units. And what's going to happen with the units is that all 3 of these meters are going to cancel. And the units we're going to end up with is a watt second. A watt second is going to give us the units of joules. All right? So if we do this quick arithmetic, what we end up getting is 1.8 times 10 to the negative 5th. And now we said this is going to be a watt over an inverse of a second, which is equal to 1.8 times 10 to the negative 5 watt second. Oops, I'm running out of ink. Or this is equal to 1.8 times 10 to the negative 5. Now this here is going to be a joule. It's going to be a joule. So that's going to be our energy.